Human beings are works in progress that mistakenly think that they're finished. The person you are right now is as transient, as fleeting, and as temporary as all the people you've ever been. The one constant in our lives is change. Daniel Gilbert.
Greetings Internet, it's Katie, and this is a momentous day, seeing as though this is my very first video. That just rhymed unintentionally. This is my very first video in my new apartment. My very first apartment that has ever been truly mine, and I don't know if you guys can hear a single droplet of water splatting on the top of my AC unit from the one above. Today's video is a very exciting video. You know, if you asked me a year ago if this would be my reality, I probably would not know what to say, because I genuinely a year ago had no freaking clue what I wanted to do post-grad. You guys clicked on this video because you were interested in what this girl right here is doing here in New York City. And so today's video is going to hopefully clarify all of your burning questions about my life, because for some reason you guys care what I'm up to, which is just flattering but also confusing, because I am probably the most normal person you will ever meet in your entire life. I recently accepted a position with L'Oreal Paris here in New York City, the beauty brand that I have worked with quite a few times as an influencer. I now work for. I work in their social media department, and I'm a social media coordinator. I have an amazing boss. The work I'm doing is so relevant to what I like and what I've been doing for the past 7 years on the internet. You know, I'm creating social media content and I have a lot of freedom with it. I get to do shoots, direct shoots, choose models, product swatches, all that fun stuff. I quite literally get to touch, reach out and grab L'Oreal Paris, the brand, and mold it and help it grow. And that is the most beautiful, amazing thing. Every single day I come home from work and I'm exhausted, but I feel like what I am doing is making an impact, and I am working for a company that I truly believe in. I've been with L'Oreal for about 2.5 weeks now. The end of this week will be my 3rd week with the company, and I've kind of kept it a little bit of a secret from you guys because I wanted to, you know, not bombard you with all this new stuff and have you guys, you know, questioning if I'm going to continue YouTube, because obviously the answer is yes, I'm going to be making these videos hopefully every week. Actually, now that I have more structure in my life with this job, college was kind of all over the place, you know, now that I have more structure, I think I'll actually maybe upload more frequently than I used to. On the very first day that I uploaded a video to this channel, it was December 27th, 2009. I will remember that day forever. I should get it tattooed or something, because that was the day that my life was changed. I was no longer a shy, voiceless girl. I was someone who had a voice and someone who made a difference. And since bug. Oh my god, bug! Oh my god, where on earth did that bug come from? Good night. Oh, I don't do bugs. I live alone. My heart is literally racing. This is sad. This is very sad. As I tell you guys time and time again, you know, sometimes you need to take leaps of faith and be selfish and, you know, just ultimately do the things that make you happy. And I love YouTube, and I loved making it a career while I was in college. This is just something I needed to do. If anything, I really hope that, you know, this new venture in my life will teach me things, teach me lessons that I can, you know, spread to you guys, and ultimately will make me a wiser and better person. So the next time you guys walk into Target or your local drugstore and see the wall of L'Oreal products, you can think to yourself, ah, my good friend Katie has a hand in that. I'm like feeling kind of emotional right now. Like, it's just a really cool thing thinking of myself, you know, back in high school when I was brutally bullied and, you know, knocked down further into the ground, you know, feeling like I wasn't going anywhere but down. I feel like right now I am soaring. I am shattering those glass ceilings that I never thought I would. And God, all those people that doubted me, all of those people in high school that talked about me behind my back, all of those people, all of those haters, every person that has ever thought that I couldn't do good things, I couldn't do great, amazing things, look at me now. This is a very personal video, you know, kind of all about me, and for once I'm not really maybe reaching out and giving you guys advice about something, but I guess if you could take anything from what I'm saying today, you can come from the absolute lowest of the low. You can come from being bullied, being depressed, and you can soar. It's just wild because I completely recall a time in my life where I was just in so much pain. And it wasn't the type of pain that you could really tell from just seeing my face. You know, well, I know for a fact I walked around with a perpetual smile on my face to kind of hide the fact that I was struggling and the fact that people's words were getting to me. And through all of that, somehow, you know, I don't know how, but somehow I mustered up the courage to create. You know, when you feel alone, when you feel pain, when you feel some sort of unresolved feeling within you, I think the best possible thing you could do is create. And I say create blank because you could create really anything that suits your fancy. For me, it was videos. The pain that you've been feeling can't compare to the joy that is coming. And I believe that is Romans 8:18. I'll have to double check that in post-production, but I think that is what it is. That verse is definitely supposed to be more of a biblical sense, you know, of the joy that is coming, but it does apply to life as well, you know. So I'm really excited about this new chapter in my life and this job. I'm still really new. I still get lost trying to find the bathroom sometimes, you know. It's one of those sort of things, you know, being new. No one likes being the new guy, you know, no one likes being the freshman, and now I'm quite literally a freshman in life. I've gone from like freshman in high school, senior, freshman in college, senior. I'm in my freshman year of life right now, so if any of my new coworkers see this video, hi, I'm excited to work with you. I'm a nice person, I swear. Let's get lunch. But yeah, so that is it for this video, guys. If you have any additional questions for me or anything, you know, leave them below. You gotta let me live and make my own mistakes, because I make plenty of them, but that's the only way that you learn, you know, by making mistakes. And so if this is the biggest mistake I've ever made, then so be it, because I learn from those things. And that's it for this video. Hope you all enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys when I have more things on my walls, because right now I've got nothing. So, bye!